I would say just like me, because I see the mirror, because of one mentor, किसी एक mentor की वजह से I moved from job to business. ठीक है? She is also one जो कि in the span of 3 to 4 months कहीं job कर रहे थे and now she moved to the business. More important is कि जो एक मैंने बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म में एक सरेंडरशिप देखा. सरेंडरशिप का मतलब है कि सर ये बोल रहे हैं तो ऐसा ही होता है, काइंड ऑफ पूरा डीएमएल वाली एक्टिविटी होती है ना, दिमाग मत लगाओ, जो बोला जा रहा है ऐसे होता है तो ऐसे होता है. जस्ट अप्लाई दैट साइंस एंड यू गेट द मैजिक. व्हेन शी ज्वाइंड, शी वाज इनटू अ स्कूल, वो एक स्कूल में थी एंड शी वाज इनटू अ जॉब एंड नाउ शी इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हर ओन स्कूल. लेट्स गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज to one and only Anu. Thank you. So happy for you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for calling me for today's event. You know, I was not about to come also, but you insisted me, and literally for today's event, I want to say I learned a lot.
Very nice.
I learned a lot, and literally I'm enjoying today.
बहुत
All thanks to you and love. So I want to share some small things like before marketing 2.0. One day Ullas told me कि listen, I'm doing some marketing course. So you also have to join that course. I thought, what am I going to do? Because that time I was in a job. Very normal job in a school I was in, as a category coordinator I was in. So that time I was studying why I am doing this job. I was not really satisfied with the job because I thought I can do something else. But I think Ullas taught me something else. I can do either run a business or I can own a business. So he talked to Dhanu sir and he had told me that marketing course, and Ullas lied to me. He only one day it's a trial thing. If you like this course, we can enroll you. Otherwise, you do not come.
देखो कहानी कैसे हुआ. पहले बीवी को बता देते कि पैसा दे दिया है तो फिर झगड़ा पहले होता. तो पहले उन्होंने ये बताया कि नहीं वो डेमो क्लास है, आगे बैठ जाओ.
I actually thought the first thing was trial class. First day I met Dhanu sir. I thought, what am I doing in his course? Because it's not relevant to my job. Because marketing is for the people who are doing his business, who are doing their own business. I was doing a pretty normal job only. So gradually I learned a lot of things and I enjoyed doing this course also. So I learned more like few science which I applied on my personal things also and now applying in my professional things also.
Very
so
nice.
He only showed me trust that you can also run a business. He and Ullas actually planned like on the first weekend your wife can also do a business and we have some book plan for her. Let her join and she can like try to try and then later on we will ask her what she can do. They both planned and Ullas only told me okay, you are good in communication and you can connect with the people easily. So let us go for the preschool business and you are good with the kids also. So then slowly idea came and then we started looking for the like preschool which how we can go. Then sir only told me he's a good mentor. Actually I cannot tell you. He calls me, I can never call him. He will ask me every week, Anu, how is going? Do you need any help from my side? So ARC, what he's building, I have started building ARC with my team and it will last.
Yeah.
So my professional relationship are also very better with my personal.
So one line I just want to add. When we talk about the marketing, it is more about how can you become more useful to the people.
Correct.
And the things will go.
So I'm really happy with the sir and actually this is just my journey has been started. There are many more to come. So I'm thankful to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.